Very good day to all of you. Sridhar sir here. Uh, in this session, we will be seeing a numeric, how to solve a numerical using EMF or synchronous impedance method. Let me read the numerical. Calculate from the observations taken on a 125 kVA 400 volt 3-phase alternator. Calculates its percentage regulation for a half load this is the requirement, and they have given 0.8 power factor leading. They have also given open circuit characteristic table with respect to IF. Open circuit characteristics is drawn between IF and VOC, I mean the generated EMF voltage at no load. So these are all the line voltages you should always remember, right? They have also given a hint that when the field current is 8 amps, we achieve the rated current, full load current. Okay, fine. Assume the star connection, and then the armature resistance they have given us 0.1 per phase. Okay, fine. So the objective of this is, you need to go about solving this numerical keeping this formula in mind. So the synchronous impedance ZS is equal to VOC per phase divided by IAC for the same IF. Very, very important. This is for the same field current, ratio of VOC per phase and IAC. Right. Let us see what are the given data. They have given the apparent power kVA 125 kVA 400 volt. This is the rated line voltages, rated voltage of an alternator, and we need to find the percentage regulation at half load condition. We need to find at half load condition. They have also given a hint that when your field current is 8 amps, right? So let us find rated current first. We know that kVA is equal to root 3 VLIL. From that I find the rated current as 180.42. So what is the rated current? It is the maximum current, right? Maximum rated current, right? Under the field current of 8 amps. When you have 8 amps to the field current, you achieve the rated short circuit current as 180.42 or rated load current. Fine. So here you know that for an 8 amps it is achieved the rate. So for half load condition, this is for full load condition, which is 180.42 is full load condition. So for half load condition, you know that it is 90.2. So when it is 90.22 is half load, obviously your field current also will be half. So it is 8 divided by 2, it is 4 amps. Fine. Now you know this as 90.2 because we need to find our regulation for half of the load condition. So we know that this is the rated for half load condition. This is at 90.2 for same IF. Same IF is nothing but 4 amps. Right. Now you need to find this. Generally we need to draw characteristics, OCC characteristics, SC characteristics. From those graphs we will find what is the EMF per phase or VOC per phase, and then we will substitute that. But in this, fortunately, from the tabular column itself we can analyze and get those values. How to go about that? We have field current as 4 amps, and fortunately when the field current is 4 amps, they have given in the table that your VOC, open circuit voltage, line voltage as 140. So when you need field current as 4 amps, you have a line voltage of 140. But after all, I need to substitute per phase. So 140 divided by root 3. So 140 divided by root 3 is nearly 80.82. So from this I will infer ZS. When I find ZS, you can always find XS. XS is nothing but Z square minus RA square. These values have been given. Once I find that, you know the formula V phase cos phi plus IA RA, V phase sin phi plus or minus IA XS. So minus will come when it is leading. From this I can always find E phase. Once you find the E phase, you know the formula. You know the formula that, percentage regulation is E phase minus V phase rated. You should not get confused. This is not V phase or VOC at 4 amps. No, this is the V phase rated. It is nothing but 400. Your line voltage they have given in the numeric divided by root 3. That is nothing but 230. From this you will get what is the percentage regulation. Hope you are understanding this point. This 400 comes from the rated voltage. This is the rated voltage. This is the rated line voltage, right? If it is phase voltage, 400 divided by root 3. Fine. Right. So to add a summary of this, you should be knowing that this numeric can be solved. You need to find percentage regulation. Percentage regulation is E phase minus V phase. V phase rated you can always get from the numeric, but E phase, to calculate E phase you should be knowing XS. To calculate XS you should be knowing ZS. So this formula is very, very important. Okay, hope you got this numerical. We'll see another numerical with graph in our next lecture. Thank you, my dear students.